Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be going over how to DoorDash efficiently. So first thing first, everyone has a golden rule when it comes to DoorDashing. And what I mean by that is how much per mile do you plan on accepting? So a lot of people say a dollar per mile at minimum. I like to do $1.50 per mile at minimum. And then ideally, you want to be paid $2 per mile. Now, make sure to skip low paying or far out orders as they kill your profit and your time. Now, as you start to DoorDash in your local area, you're going to start being familiar with what restaurants are good and what restaurants are bad. You'll also start being familiar with what the hot spots are and when peak times are. And so with that, you want to make sure that you avoid slow restaurants. So for my example, Popeyes is very slow. So anytime an order is coming from Popeyes, I make sure to avoid that. Same thing with Jollibee. Because Jollibee is very slow at giving me my order, I don't accept Jollibee orders. Now, in addition to that, you want to make sure that you can try to do multi-apps strategically. So using DoorDash, using Uber Eats, using Grubhub together, but you never want to make sure that you're accepting another order at the cost of a late delivery. So the way I do it is like if there's downtime in DoorDash, I'll accept an Uber Eats order. And then if there's an Uber Eats downtime, then I'll accept a DoorDash order. And lastly, you want to make sure that you use an app to log miles, just because those miles can be big tax write-offs when tax season does come. But that's pretty much it as far as efficiency goes when it comes to DoorDash, guys. Knowing your area, picking the right orders, and minimizing downtime, this is working smarter and not harder. And hopefully you make more money. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to go ahead and explain this. If you guys know of a better or easier way, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.